Hey, what's up guys, it's Kaustubh here, and today guys, welcome to my detailed Gcam mod review of the Poco X3 Pro guys. So आज अपन Poco X3 Pro का Gcam mod टेस्ट करेंगे, like whether Gcam mod does really make a difference or not guys, because usually with the help of Gcam mod पिक्चर क्वालिटी जो रहता है उसमें थोड़ा सा like improvement मिलता है in most of the phones guys. So आज अपन वही X3 Pro पे देखेंगे कि like whether does it really make a difference or not. So in this video guys अपन करेंगे side by side comparison. So same photo guys अपन स्टॉक कैमरा ऐप के साथ भी खींचेंगे एंड विद Gcam mod ऑल्सो. साइड बाय साइड आप स्टॉक वर्सेज Gcam mod का इमेज क्वालिटी देख सकते हो एंड डिसाइड कर सकते हो कि वेदर इट इज रियली वर्थ इट, लाइक इफ यू हैव द X3 Pro then whether it is worth it using Gcam or whether the stock camera itself is really better. So guys do watch the complete video till the end guys, and just like always guys make sure कीजिए कि आप रेड सब्सक्राइब बटन प्रेस कर रहे हैं एज वेल एज नोटिफिकेशन भी टर्न ऑन कर रहे हैं ताकि आपको मेरे लेटेस्ट वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आए. With that being said, let's roll the intro and get the video started. So guys, starting with the camera comparison, on the screen side by side you can see two photos. So the photo on the left side has been clicked with the stock camera app and you can see the watermark of a Poco X3 Pro below, and photo on the right side has been clicked with Gcam mod version 8.1. So starting with the camera comparison guys, the first photo here which we have is an outdoor photo which I clicked, and there is no difference present in both of the photos. Both of the photos look really similar, I would say, in terms of colors, shadows, and HDR also. Like the sky also looks good in both the photos, so there is nothing really to differentiate in this photo. Slightly if you notice the car here, the red color car, then in both the photos you can see like there is slight saturation bump in the stock camera's photo compared to Gcam's photo. So saturation wise Gcam is slightly natural, it doesn't go all the way up in saturation compared to the stock cam. So in this one I think both the photos look really good. Going to the second photo guys, here again I have the second photo, and this is the perfect photo to test the HDR capabilities of the phone. So in this one again we see that saturation trend guys, because if you see like जो Poco X3 Pro का फोटो है guys, it is slightly pumped up, like saturation ज़्यादा है. So उसके वजह से बहुत सही लग रहा है वो फोटो. I think like आप ट्रीज देखोगे नीचे गार्डन का सेक्शन जो है उसमें, और कंपेयर टू द Gcam फोटो, Gcam में बहुत ही डल दिख रहा है, एंड फॉर सम रीज़न नॉइज़ भी बहुत ज़्यादा है Gcam के वो डार्क सेक्शन ऑफ द फोटो में कंपेयर टू द स्टॉक कैमरा फोटो. एंड अगर आप स्काई देखोगे देन HDR आई थिंक बोथ द फोन्स हैव डन अ ग्रेट जॉब. So in this one I think the stock camera has done a fabulous job in exposing and getting the photo right for this one. HDR भी सही है, and I don't know why but this is the best possible version of Gcam guys which I'm using right now. Gcam 8.1 available for the X3 Pro. So that's to do with the second photo. Going to the third photo guys, again this is an indoor photo which I clicked just to see the details. So in the stock camera photo if I zoom in then you can see the details are really good, everything is pretty crystal clear, there is no noise as such in this photo. And zooming into the Gcam photo guys, then again it is pretty much the same story. I think like Gcam photo slightly there is that contrast thing going on, like Gcam photos are usually high in contrast, so that's why you can see the difference in black color of the DSLR guys. So दोनों कलर आप देखोगे तो ब्लैकिश थोड़ा सा डार्क रिच कलर जो है वो Gcam ने क्लिक किया है ऑफ द DSLR compared to the stock camera photo. So here I think the photo clicked with the Gcam बहुत सही लग रहा है in my opinion. Going to the third photo guys, this is a photo of the Rubik's Cube guys, and this photo मैंने क्लिक किया because just to demonstrate you guys कि कलर सैचुरेशन कैसा दोनों लाइक Gcam और स्टॉक कैमरा मैनिपुलेट करते हैं. सो इन दिस वन वी कैन क्लियरली सी लाइक द फोटो विथ जो स्टॉक कैमरा का फोटो है बहुत सही लग रहा है बिकॉज सैचुरेशन बहुत पम्प करता है वो यूजुअली, लाइक हाई सैचुरेशन पे क्लिक होता है फोटोज़ यूजुअली, एंड फोटो सही लग रहा है. एंड Gcam का फोटो एज ऑलवेज नेचुरल कलर्स मेंटेन किया है Gcam 8.1 ने, एंड दैट ऑल्सो लुक्स गुड. सो इफ़ यू लाइक स्लाइटली नेचुरल डल न्यूट्रल कलर्स देन आई थिंक द Gcam is the perfect camera app for you. And if you are someone like अगर आपको बहुत punchy colors पसंद है then I think the stock camera is the perfect camera app for you. Going to the next photo guys, here I have a photo of the OnePlus Nord, and reason to click this photos guys because OnePlus Nord का जो blue color है वो बहुत ही like थोड़ा tough है to reproduce on the camera because exact color दिखता नहीं है कैमरा को. like usually which I have noticed. So in this one I think Gcam ने बहुत ही सही color accurate photo निकाला है. Like this is how actually it is really close to how the OnePlus Nord's blue color looks compared to the stock camera photo. Stock camera ने थोड़ा like miss out किया है I think. बहुत ही light color expose दिखा रहा है. Like OnePlus Nord का color इतना light नहीं है, थोड़ा सा darkish blue है I would say, like light blue or Miami blue I would say. So in this one I like the photo clicked with the Gcam mod. Going to the next photo guys, this is a selfie which I clicked on the stock camera as well as on the Gcam mod. So both the selfies guys look amazing I would say, but details अगर आप compare करोगे then Gcam mod का जो selfie है वो ज़्यादा details है. Like आप like मेरा face पे like all the black spots pimple you can see that clearly on the Gcam selfie compared to the stock camera selfie. Stock camera has done slight face smoothing जो रहता है वो किया है, उसके वजह से I think it is slightly looking good I would say. But in my case what I think is that like selfie के लिए I wouldn't recommend you guys to go for Gcam because बहुत ही detailed selfie निकालता है. So कभी कभी ख़राब दिख सकता है वो selfie sometimes in low light situation. So I think stock camera does a great job in the selfie department as well. Going to the next photo guys, here is a photo of a plant which I clicked और इसमें कुछ difference ही नहीं है. Like other than slight contrast and saturation change, I think both the photos look really good and like similarity differences कुछ है इन दोनों photos में. So both the photos are looking really good. And finally going to the most awaited photo guys is night sight. So night sight जो है like the दोनों photos night sight mode से click किया है stock camera and Gcam में. So in this one again what I think is that the stock camera has done slightly better job I would say in clicking the night side photo, because अगर मैं zoom करता हूँ stock camera का photo then you guys can see the details. Like I know like थोड़ा smoothing हुआ है, like there is slight noise in the photo but when we zoom in the photo of Gcam mod then you can see like details are pretty well preserved I would say. Like जो डिटेल्स है वो ऐसे सॉफ्टनिंग नहीं हुआ है बेसिकली, बट ऐसे लाइक विदाउट जूमिंग इन अगर आप फोटो देखते हो तो बहुत लाइक उतना कलर्स रिच नहीं लग रहा है समहाउ. बट आई थिंक बोथ द फोटोज आर गुड इनफ. बट डिटेल्स के मामले में अगर आप पूछोगे देन आई थिंक Gcam का नाइट साइड फोटो लुक्स गुड and overall I think Gcam photo takes the win for night sight as well. So guys now that you have seen all the camera samples of Gcam mod versus the stock camera, so आपको एक better idea है कि as to how Gcam mod actually performs and difference like होता है या नहीं होता है. So in my opinion what I think is that guys like Gcam mod जो है मैंने use किया था version 8.1, Gcam mod version 8.1 for the X3 Pro guys. I think it is not like the best version it personally is what I think, because मैंने इसके पहले भी बहुत एक दो तीन like versions try किए of Gcam mod and they were also not that up to the mark. So with time I think ये जो Gcam mod है बहुत सारे और versions भी available होंगे and more features भी आएंगे और बहुत improvement भी होगी. But as of shooting this video guys ये जो Gcam mod यूज़ किया था उसके साथ जो अपन फोटोज क्लिक किए और आपने देखे भी है उसमें लाइक स्लाइटली नेचुरल कलर टोन है लाइक ऑलवेज इन एवरी Gcam वीडियो, बट उतना पिक्चर क्वालिटी में कुछ खास ऐसा डिफरेंस नहीं था. लाइक इन सम सिनेरियोज लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द सिनेरियोज जो थे उसमें तो स्टॉक कैमरा ही बहुत अच्छे फोटोज क्लिक कर रहा था कंपेयर टू द Gcam mod. सो दैट्स द आयरनी ऑफ Gcam एट लीस्ट एज ऑफ नाउ ऑन द X3 Pro. बट इन द फ्यूचर गाइज बहुत सारे वर्जन आएंगे अवेलेबल रहेंगे, आप गूगल सर्च करके इजीली स्टेबल एंड द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ Gcam डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. एंड डेफिनेटली आई थिंक इन द फ्यूचर इट विल इम्प्रूव द परफॉर्मेंस currently as compared to the current version which I have shown you guys. So guys that is what my opinion is. Like if you are considering the X3 Pro just because of the camera then you can definitely go for it. Like आपका बजट उतना रहेगा like 19,000 के रेंज में तो definitely X3 Pro is a good phone. जो सेंसर आता है वो उसका मेन प्लस पॉइंट है. IMX582 Sony IMX582 जो सेंसर है that is a really good sensor. So yeah, that's about it and this is my take on Gcam mod review for the X3 Pro guys. And if you have liked this video guys then please do hit the like button down below guys, and also guys do make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below as well as turn the notifications on so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. With that being said, this is your boy Kaustubh here from Tech2Explore signing off. Until then, keep exploring.